Education remains one of the core fundamentals around which careers are born. Here we introduce the top WordPress themes for education, course, and training purpose. 1. CourseLog. CourseLog comes with all the modern features of Bootstrap responsiveness, WooCommerce compatibility, Elementor plugin support with numerous add-ons, multiple unique homepage versions, LearnPress, and so on. CourseLog's unique features include Metform, a highly intuitive form builder, Unison framework, child theme support, WPML compatible, SEO friendly, font support, detailed documentation, and so on. 2. Educavo. Educavo is your numero uno choice for all education-related websites. Educavo follows the modern trend with ideally suited for college, school, university, course tutorials, selling online courses, kindergarten, e-learning, course hub, or building an online learning platform. Educavo uses Elementor Builder with unlimited design features packed with a commercial revolution slider, 100% responsive, single-click demo importer, 14 unique home pages, and so on. Check the full demo, rating, and review in the video description. 3. Eshkol. Eshkol is a highly creative and powerful WordPress theme built specifically for educational purposes. You can easily build a course using this theme and sell them online to start your digital business using Eshkol. The theme has full multilingual support, with full RTL support, LMS plugin integrated, multiple courses layout, and have a unique 15+ demos to match with 100+ enters pages layout. Check the full demo, rating, and review in the video description. 4. Biacy. Biacy should be your choice for an impeccable LMS-based education website with a WordPress theme. Biacy is packed with several options to help you start an online learning center at ease. Biacy essential features include a separate student's dashboard, instructor profile, contact form 7, translation ready, highly responsive, clean and ultra-modern design, cross-browser compatibility, and also has 2,000+ font awesome icons. 5. MasterStudy. MasterStudy is your one-stop solution for LMS solution within WordPress development. MasterStudy is built with Elementor plugins and comes packed with features of advanced quizzing, paid Zoom webinars, monetization, drip feed content, and Tutor payouts. Built on top of Vue.js, MasterStudy is quite easy to use and offers numerous customization options for building an ideal website for educational purposes.
Thank you for watching. Check detailed about the education themes, please check description.